Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Program Master channel. Today we will talk about a HashSet. Okay, what do you mean by HashSet? It refer to W tree tool. HashSet is nothing but a collection of items where every item is unique. It is found in the Java.util package. So, implementation we can see they have used the car example like import in headset, then my class in not just main function. They have defined this is a main function for main syntax for a headset. They have defined the string function, then printed or what are those elements. Okay, we can do move forward and let's see the implementation from the beginning using the integer integer instead of a string. Let's import Java dot. We need to import a hash set. So hash set. Okay, I think it is spelling hash set right. Okay, then we need to public class any name we want to have one. Okay, we are defining that. Then we need to define a main function. Notice that this is a simple implementation for those who are beginner in Java, who doesn't know want to learn about it. This is the implementation for those and public static void main thing. Uh, okay, I like that this bracket here. Okay, bracket. Let's add a have set syntax. What is we define java.util.hasset, then capital hasset. Then the main syntax, any file or element name or hasset equal to new object, uh, new hasset of that. Okay, we need to, since we are dealing with integer, so the type in integer in both of these. It is not necessary to type integer in both side. One side is sufficient. Okay, then simple. Your work is done. And then we can add element accordingly, like 12. Copy paste it. Then copy paste. Okay, let's change it to different number. Right? And then okay, it is semicolon. Then, if you want to print all those elements, we need a for loop. In hand, for loop is far efficient than normal typical for loop. Let's say we want all the variables to store in temp statement, then hash set. All these elements will be stored in the temporary variable. Okay, and we print all those some part out println temp. Okay, I think my work is done for hat. Okay, what public class has one, then has one dot Java. Okay, everything closed. Okay, then we need to compile the program Java G. of hash1 dot java. Let me know if any error. Okay, good. No error present. Hash1. What we get is output. Exactly. This program needs basic understanding in hash element where what is stored in it. One needs to know about where the element are stored. Then like 1 to 3 to stored in the first topmost side. What the reason behind it. Then 18, then 34. We need to learn that it will be available in the internet itself. And let me if I want to remove one element or two element or anything, then we can do it as just dot remove function is important. Then which element I want to remove it, 1 3 2 2, okay. And another suppose remove 18, okay. Let's save it file. If I save that file, key result, by I'm getting a different result nowadays. If element has not been removed, like want to I have instructed those I have removed using this function, but it hasn't been removed. So what we need to do is we need a for loop to remove those statement, like a for system. Let me tell you in detail. Intended removed, removing, after removing item, okay, it will better check you element. uh, Nice. Then for loop hatchet dot, because hatchet is the what we have defined earlier, and hatchet for is similar to for loop, right? Temper system dot out dot println temp. Okay, double bracket. Okay, I think it's right. Because why we are declaring temp is because we have included a for loop in which element all the elements in the after are copied to temporary variable. So for each temporary variable, it will print out. It will execute dot statement also. It will include dot functions also. Let me execute this program again. Is there any error? Compile it. Okay, good. Java. See, after before removing result, we have all the element. After removing, we get 34, 38, 58, 12. That what we got as result. Okay, that for HashSet for today. This is a simple concept. That let me know if you have any doubt. Let me know in comment below. Just let's see. We have 5 minutes also for discussion regarding itself. Please add element if you want to add. Then cart dot add. We get element to add. Then if you want to find what your specific element you want to search, then we can use a specific function for that. If you want to find if the element is exists in all those, Suppose we want to find a BMW, is there or not in a long list of 35 3,500 like data. Then simple solution is car dot find contain BMW. Then we get a result. See, true will be shown. Okay, if you want to remove a program item, then we can dot remove function clear. If you want to remove all the items, then car dot clear will remove all the item. We get a result like this, just a bracket folder. Because there are many companies that are asking this question: what is the result of this following program? If you clear all the element, many of the students are confused because they don't know. Like they will feel null. Null is not an answer, but bracket is a non answer. We keep it in mind. This is very important. Hatchet side we can dot side. Then this is enhanced for loop. I talked about it earlier. It's a simple example for finding an element. Use a hashtag dot source integer object. It's nothing but it's a source and a numbers add. Then we get a for loop. When if statement it had been used, if numbers dot contains I, then if was found in it will print it was found in the set, else it was not found in the set. That element should be like 1 to 10 will be printed for loop because we not need input. In for loop itself input is given, 1 to 10 input is given. Then all the elements if added or is not found, it was found, it will be printed accordingly. Main function is numbers dot contains. This is the main the function. If you want to, if you don't remember, but please remember this main function. Every function is important, and syntax is also important to remember. And then only we can add these to Java is easy to execute, and everything is easy on this. This is summary of HashSet. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, let me cancel.